Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So this is Bhupesh Sharma and here in this video we are discussing about the West Bengal set English literary theory important questions, right? So shall we start? Let's start with the very first question here. Very first question we have is from the structural narratology, So the structural narratology here, you know the narrative, right? Narrative. So the study of narrative means to tell a story, right? That is a narrative. So the study of narrative is known the narratology, and who practice this are known the narratologist. So in this study of narrative, they apply the theory of structuralism. What they do here, they try to see that how they try to take a look at the entire structure of the narrative, that how the narrative is framed. It is not only just the dialogue. It is character as well. It is your action as well. Action means your plot. So all of these things when come together, that creates a narrative. Every narrative needs a context, right? Your words alone are not enough. So they try to see the entire structure of the narrative and they see how narrative generates meaning. Literary theory is entirely based on the process of knowing the meaning, right? So structural narratologists, what do they focus at? How narrative generates the meaning by looking at the structure of narrative. This concept is clear for you now. So now in structural narratology, who are the important figures here? Louis Althusser, we have studied in the Marxism. If you're watching my classes from the very beginning, right, you know this thing then. Roland Barthes is important figure here. Then we have AJ Grimace. He is an important figure here. You know that Roland Barthes have talked about the when he was reading the Balzac Balzac's short story he was reading, and he found that there are the 561 units of meanings, right? These many things give you a hint about that what this story actually is, and he put them into the five codes: community code, right? Your cultural code, symbolic code. Right? In this way, we have there five such a codes which are given by the Roland Barthes, right? In his important work, Structural Analysis of Narrative. What is the name of the work? Structural Analysis of Narrative. Okay, write down its publication date. Where? In the comment section below. Clear? All right. Let me remove it. It's structural analysis of narrative. It's Balzac, and he found the 561 units there. I hope you guys not listening any other noises which is falling on my ears. You know, city life. AJ Grimace. He is the another important figure, and his theories are built on the linguistic theory of Saussure, Ferdinand de Saussure, right? Then we have the Zventon Todorov, and he identified the two, uh, you know, he find out the two structural, uh, n- we call that structural codes in the text, right? He found two codes there, and the very I am forgetting those two codes here, which entirely I have not kept any data. It's entirely memory based lecture here which I'm giving, but I'll try to mention them below in the description box. But the Zventon is also the very important figure of the structural narratology, right? So these three are the important one, and I want you guys to read their works, right? Their terms, they are very very important, and to know them. And you know, my professor note provides you study material, classes. You have no need to run after any other sources. You will be provided five booklets under the study material, right? You simply have to study them. I'll be guiding you throughout this entire journey. You will have a complete roadmap. You will have a exam oriented content, right? Then only thing you have to do is you have to be consistent. I'm telling you, this is one of the most crucial ingredient which is missing. I'm telling you, this is the only thing which is missing, right? लाइव क्लासेस तो आपको लाइव रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस मिलती हैं ऐप पे, आपको इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करना है एंड यू विल गेट एक्सेस टू इट, ठीक है? Now, I had written some of these things about structural narratology, but I knew this topic, so I just mentioned it to you. Now, post structuralism, I give you something about structuralism. Now, structuralism tells that we can know things by focusing on their structures. अगर आपको किसी चीज को समझना है ना, for say you want to understand something, you want to understand a building, right? If you want to understand a building, so you have to know that what it is made of: concrete, sand, iron rods, cement, doors, walls, windows, right? All of these things come together, then they build a house, a home. In a similar way, if there's any topic we want to understand it through the approach of structuralism, we pay attention to its every single part, every single component which it is made of. Now there come the post structuralism, and they do not follow this theory of structuralism. They are post structuralist, right? They do not believe in it, that a structure can give you a definite meaning. This they emphasized on the instability of meaning. They say there are no fixed meanings, right? They say there are no fixed meanings. Clear? All right. Who are the important figure, by the way, of the post-structuralism? What you have to study in the post-structuralism? You have to study here Michel Foucault, right? You have to study here Roland Barthes. You have to study here Roland Barthes. You have to study here Michel Foucault, right? You have to study here Jacques Derrida. Clear? Hmm. These are the three important figures in the post-structuralism. Here, who is not associated with the post-structuralism? So Julia Kristeva, intertextuality, one of her important terms. She is a part of the post-structuralism. Jacques Lacan, psychoanalyst. He adopted the approach of post-structuralist. He came after the Ferdinand de Saussure. He mixed the linguistics with the psychology. Paul Dahmen is the friend of Jacques Derrida. So obviously, there will be some influence on him as well, right? Then we have the Ferdinand de Saussure. He is the father of structuralism. He is not, right? So D is the right answer. Here I have mentioned these details here. So you just go on my Telegram channel. I might upload this, you know, this PDF over there. Structuralist poetics. यहाँ पे हमें बस book का नाम बताना है. This is all what it requires. So the book is by the Jonathan Fuller. अब इसका जो पब्लिकेशन डेट है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप एफर्ट डालो. द मोमेंट यू विल पुट एफर्ट्स, यू ट्राई टू नो इट्स डेट, you will not forget that. When things are served on the plate, we forget them easily. When we have to work for them, we remember them for quite a long time, right? So publication date आपको इसकी भी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख देनी है. अगर आप सिंसियरली मेरे साथ प्रेपरेशन कर रहे हो तब आप करोगे, ठीक है? अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, बस देख रहे हो, like just see how the person is teaching and this and that, then no, progress will be there. We have another question. Which of these critiques is known for his work on reader response? No, now you know that here the meaning of the text is defined on the basis of the reader's response to the book. They do not go for the intended meaning by the author. No, they define their own meaning on the basis of their own understanding, the way they will respond to it, how that book will make them feel, how, because the final destination of the book is the reader's table, right? The reader's booking collection, the reader's shelf. The way they will take its meaning, that will be the final meaning, because that's where its destiny lies. Uh, That's where the final destination of the book is. Right? This is what the reader response. कि response क्या है reader का उस book के towards, and that will be considered as a final meaning of it. Which of these critiques is known for his work on reader response? The Northrop Frye is archetypical, so he's not the one. Louis Althusser, you know, he is I already told Marxist. He's not the one. Wolfgang Iser is the one, and he has also given the idea of the implied reader and the actual reader. देखो मैं हमेशा ना मैं एक्टिव लर्निंग पे बिलीव करता हूँ, और मैं बच्चों को बोलता भी हूँ कि तुम भी एक्टिव लर्निंग ही करो। ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने मेरा जेआरएफ क्वालिफाई करा है। ठीक है, मैंने मेरा 4 बार नेट क्वालिफाई करा है। मैंने मेरा पीएससी का, जो आपका कॉलेज कैडर का एग्जाम होता है कमीशन का, विच यू गिव टू बी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, आई हैव क्वालिफाइड दैट, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम परसुइंग माय पीएचडी, राइट? एंड सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, राइट? कैसे करना है, क्या करना है। क्लिंट ब्रुक्स को हम कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? न्यू क्रिटिसिज्म में पढ़ते हैं ना। ऐसे करके आपको चीजें रिलेट होनी चाहिए कि अच्छा ये कहाँ से है, ये ऑथर क्या है, इसका क्या वर्क है, मुझे सब पता चाहिए। देखो इस एक एक ऑथर के बारे में मुझे पता चाहिए। ठीक है। Now the another question. Which existentialist philosopher taught that man is potentially always in conflict with his neighbor and all social relationships are doomed to frustration? Do you believe in this? Do you think कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये सही है? What do you think about it? आपका कोई critical analysis है इस पे? Can you put it forth into words? That will be amazing to know, you know. If any one of you can just write a few lines in the comment section below, like I'll be more than happy. Soren Kierkegaard, he's a Denmark philosopher. ठीक है, जेन पॉल सार्त्रे इज द वन हु सेड दीज लाइंस। अब ये कोट्स हैं, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप से क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, तो ये आपको ऐसे ही पढ़ने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है, एल्बर्ट कामू के कौन कौन से हैं? द मिथ ऑफ सिसिफस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन। मिथ ऑफ सिसिफस, स्ट्रगल इज इनफ टू मेक द सिसिफस हैप्पी। बस स्ट्रगल करते रहो, बाद में कुछ उसका रिजल्ट मिले ना मिले, तो ऐसे नहीं करना है आपने। मैंने आपको कहा है आप सभी लोगों को कि बेटा अपनी टाइम लिमिट सेट करो। वॉल्टर बेंजामिन, ही इज नॉट द वन, right? So then we come to the new women. Who are the new women who pushed themselves beyond the limits set by set by male dominated societies? A lovely manner. I have written societies. ठीक है जी। सो सारा ग्रैंड नहीं, ये टर्म क्या है, कॉइन की है। ठीक है। Okay, now we come here to the final question of this lecture, of this class. The book, The Prison House of Language, Critical Account of Structuralism and Russian Formalism is written by, ये भी मैं आप पे छोड़ दूं, आप करोगे ये सर्च? फिर आप करोगे क्या, है ना? एक्टिव लर्निंग वही तो है। देखो मैं आपको यहाँ पे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू मेक यू फील हैप्पी हियर, लाइक आई वांट यू टू पुट एफर्ट्स। अगर आप ये चीज सर्च करोगे, फिर देखोगे, फिर लिखोगे नोटबुक में, आपको ये आएगी। मैं यहाँ पे एज अ गाइड हूँ। You need a person always around you carrying a stick, है ना? And always keeping you alert. That's the role I want to play here. Otherwise, it's very difficult, है ना? आप लोग फिर सोते रह जाओगे। यहाँ पे कोई कॉन्सेप्ट तो है नहीं ना ये। एक नाम है, किसने लिखी है किताब? इतना तो देख ही सकते हो। ठीक है? We'll see you soon in the next class. There we will discuss the other important question of the literary theory. Beside this, I have told you that here is the details. Here are the details for the live and recorded classes, study material, mock test series. You can contact on this number. See you in the next class. Till the time, keep learning. जो भी आपके suggestion हो, mention them in the below comment section.